Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Now on this channel, I will show you some really easy and straightforward tutorials about using Canva or designing in Canva. And if you like this subject, then please make sure to subscribe to stay updated with all the new videos. Hi guys! Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily upload images into your Canva design. Now first of all you want to open a new design. You can do that by click on create a design. Now let's say we want to make a flyer. You want to click on it, then it opens, and then you go on the left side to upload. You click on it. Now, and here you see the button upload files. So click on it. Now, let's say I want to use this picture into my design. I double click on it, and then you can see here that it's uploading into Canva. Now you want to wait a little bit. Now it's fully uploaded. And if you click on it, you can use it in your design. You can enlarge it. You can do with it what you want. So that's how you upload a picture.